So, like all people that collect things, whether it's stamps or coins, whatever it may be, say you're a coin collector, and so you go find coins to add to your collection. Well, my collection happens to be rust, old, rusty, whatever. I don't care if it's old, it's metal, it's rusty. I want it. I gotta feed my addiction. Just like the stamp collector needs to buy a new stamp for his collection, I gotta buy me some rust. So, in feeding my addiction, this is the next uh, or my latest thing I've collected. It's an old Jeep. Um, wasn't very far from my house. It was cheap and it fed my addiction. The trailer was empty. So I hooked it to the truck, and voila, I now have an old rusty Jeep. Will I do anything with it? I don't know. Um, I'm going to set it out in front, throw it on a frame, set it out in front of my place. When I drive by, I'll look at it. Um, just like the guy that has a coin or whatever, every now and then he pulls his coin collection out and looks at them and stuff. Well, my collection just happens to be where everybody driving by my place can look at it, or at least most of my stuff. So, whether you like it or not, doesn't make a difference. It's mine. And so here's just a little video of me collecting my latest rust. All right. Well, thanks everybody for watching. And no matter what you collect, get out there and collect some more of it. All right. Thanks.
Well, not too far from my house, the guy I've known for years and years posted a Jeep for sale, and I couldn't really see what it was, but I'll show you here. Come up to get it. This rust addiction is severe. I'm glad it's not an illegal drug. I'd be in prison. So anyway, oh, he had a old Hudson coupe sitting here. He sold it too. It's gone when I come up and looked at this before. So anyway, we got the Jeep tub, hood, fenders, grill, and that's about it. Just enough rust to get me going here. This tub is a 1947, something like that, and it's been stretched 18 inches. So I come out and he showed me this, and kind of poked around and told him I'll take it. So this is my newest rust deal here. There's a grill. He's going to keep a couple of grills, but there's a hood, fenders, the tailgate. There's the tailgate right there. Tailgate. Oh, it says Jeep on it even. And some fenders. So it's just kind of a shell there. He's getting the tractor, bringing the tractor out now. Yeah, born and raised on this farm his whole life. Here's a couple of his projects. You got an old 57 Chevy step side, and here's the thing that gets everybody's blood going. It's got a 65 GTO that he bought years ago, sitting here. Yeah, he's getting ready to take this to a shop and get it worked on and get it back on the road. So yeah, there's a jewel. I don't care who you are. That's nice. All right, well, he's bringing the tractor over. We got a couple of hay forks on it. And we're gonna lift this thing up, slide it on, get over there on the trailer. All right, so here I'm holding the back of it, or the bottom of it, while it's on the forks, while he backs up the tractor. This is part of the addiction of getting this stuff is, the thrill. We don't have no chain on it, no straps. So yeah, hope it don't fall on me. I guess you'll see if it does, because I'll drop the camera and run. All right. And it feels pretty stable though. Anyway, I better get off this here camera and pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, slide it right in the old trailer there, and we're good to go. Oh. Yeah, oh yeah, I got a hold of it. It ain't going nowhere. Certainly. Alright, well, I'll shut this thing back off again. Ooh, easy does it. Easy does it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so fenders, grill, tailgate, hood, Willys hood with a Jeep tailgate. What's up with that? Anyway, you know, I tell you, whatever it takes to feed the rust addiction. It's seriously a real thing. I don't care what anybody says. It's definitely a real thing. Alright, I sure appreciate him doing the whole tractor thing, otherwise it'd have been worse. Let's not forget the matching roll bar. Yeah, there you go. Weld that together along with everything else, right? Okay, well, there it is on the trailer. I think it's supposed to be like a 46 or 47 flat fender. You know, it's not much to look at, but I'll get it home and I'll power spray it. Make it, you know, that'll make it look like $1,000,000 then. Yeah, ain't much to look at, but you know, I'm just gonna throw it in as a piece of yard art and add it to, you know, all the other stuff. Eye candy, right? Eye candy, and you know, and go from there. Yeah, who knows? Something else to collect. Nothing else. Something my kids will have to get rid of after I'm gone. Maybe somebody will come along and want it worse than I do. You know, I didn't give much for it. Let me tell you. She was dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. So, you know, yeah, I'm not out much. So, now the trick is to get it home and see if I can put it somewhere where the wife won't see it. Alright, hey, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time. Yeah, now back onto the 48 Ford anyway. Thanks. Later. Alright, threw it together a little bit. If you squint real hard, stand way back, you know, you can see my dream of where it's going. Yeah, so I think I got my money's worth, is that I didn't give much. So yeah, come on now, who wouldn't want that, right? It's got a Willys hood and a Jeep tailgate, right up my alley. Yeah, look at that. It's a jewel. It's an absolute jewel. You know, anybody that wouldn't want that in their yard is crazy. Come on, look at that. Come on, you can see where that's going, right? Heck yeah. Yeah, my wife thinks it's going to the scrapyard, but I have another thing coming. Or she has nothing coming. Maybe I have another thing coming. I don't know. Anyway, there it is.
Okay, so it does look a little funny there since I got the roll bar in backwards, but when I set it up, bolted all together and on the frame in front of my by the road in front of my place, yeah, I'll have the roll bar in a better situation there, like it's supposed to be. So I just want to tell everybody thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, give me a comment of uh, how you'd never buy it or own it or maybe you like it. So anyway, thanks a lot, everybody, and I'll catch you on the next one.